Interesting article out today about inflation. So I tell this to clients all the time, and this is part of why I think rates won't stay super high for that long. Um, People keep talking about inflation. What does inflation mean? Inflation is a comparison over the last 12 months of one thing to another, and the amount it goes up by is the percentage of inflation growth. Okay? So what I want you to think about is if you had a carton of milk, and during COVID, a carton of milk was $1. Okay? And then all of a sudden it goes up to $1.20. You have a over the next 12 months, right? So let's say it's 2020, and then in 2021 it's $1.20. That's 20% inflation, right? Everybody's gonna lose their mind. They're gonna be like, whoa, like this is ridiculous. Interest rates go up. Bank of Canada gets all, freaky. If in the next 12 months after that, it goes from $1.20 to $1.21, all of a sudden, inflation is really low because they don't compare it to where it was before that 12 months. So all of a sudden, what we're going to have, okay, is we're going to have the Bank of Canada sitting there going, hey, we beat inflation, okay? Because it only went from $1.20 to $1.21. We won. We are the smartest guys in the room. All these interest rate increases we did were so painful and hurt everybody. But now, because we beat inflation, we can lower rates down because guess what? Nobody can still afford the fact that the carton of milk went from $1 to $1.21 over a 2-year period. So this is what's going on right now. And this is why it won't last forever, is because short of something else crazy happening and things continuing to go up at the rate they are, when we compare the price in the future to the crazy prices we have now, inflation is probably going to be zero. It might be negative. I mean, who knows? But this is the main thing to know, is that they will say they beat inflation. They will be patting themselves on the back. At the same time, everyone will be suffering because these prices have gone up so much over more than that 12-month period, and they will have to lower rates just to help the economy and everybody from losing it. So interesting article, but that's the long and short of it.